Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the versatile phrasal verb, carry out. It's a powerful phrase with various meanings, and we'll dive into each one through animated examples. Let's begin. Our first meaning of carry out is to execute or perform a task, action, or plan.
Today, I'm going to carry out a series of experiments to test this hypothesis.
That sounds fascinating, Alex. I can't wait to see the results.
Let's get started with the first trial.
Carry out here means executing or performing a scientific experiment. Time for an interactive question. Can anyone share a task or project they recently carried out?
I recently carried out a community cleanup project. We collected tons of trash and made our neighborhood cleaner.
Well done, Justin. Carrying out community service is a great way to give back. Our second meaning of carry out is to fulfill or achieve a goal or objective.
Mark, we've been working hard on this project, and it's time to carry out our plan and make it a success.
I agree, Lisa. Let's go ahead and achieve our targets.
With our dedication, we can carry out anything we set our minds to.
In this context, carry out signifies successfully achieving a goal. Let's keep the interaction going. Can anyone share a personal or professional goal they recently carried out?
I carried out a fitness goal by running my first marathon last month. It was an amazing achievement.
Fantastic, Kevin. Carrying out a marathon is a remarkable accomplishment. Our third meaning of carry out involves obeying or following through with rules, orders, or instructions.
Chris, we have received our orders, and it's crucial to carry them out precisely as instructed.
I understand, Sarah. We must follow through with our mission.
Let's ensure that every step is carried out meticulously.
Here, carry out means obeying orders or following through with a mission. Here's an interactive question. Can anyone share a situation where they had to carry out instructions or orders?
I had to carry out safety protocols during a fire drill at school. It was essential to follow the instructions precisely.
That's responsible, Anna. Carrying out safety procedures is crucial for everyone's well-being. Carry out can also mean to perform or conduct certain formal or professional activities.
David, we need to carry out a thorough investigation before the trial begins.
You're right, Maya. Conducting interviews and gathering evidence is crucial.
Let's ensure that we carry out our legal duties diligently.
In this context, carry out signifies performing or conducting professional tasks. Time for another interactive question. Can anyone share a profession or job where it's essential to carry out tasks with care and precision?
I work in quality control, and I have to carry out inspections to ensure products meet our standards. Precision is key in my job.
Well said, Amber. Carrying out quality inspections ensures the highest standards. Our final meaning of carry out involves accomplishing a task or mission with significant effort.
Jake, climbing this peak won't be easy, but I believe we can carry it out.
I'm with you, Emma. It will be a challenging journey, but together, we can accomplish it.
Let's keep climbing and carry out this expedition.
Here, carry out means accomplishing a challenging task with effort. Time for the last interactive question. Can anyone share a task or mission that required them to carry out significant effort?
I had to carry out a fundraising campaign for a charity marathon. It was hard work, but we raised a substantial amount for a good cause.
That's remarkable, Tom. Carrying out a successful fundraising campaign takes dedication and effort. Now, let's carry out quick recap. Our first meaning of carry out is to execute or perform a task, action, or plan. Our second meaning of carry out is to fulfill or achieve a goal or objective. Our third meaning of carry out involves obeying or following through with rules, orders, or instructions. Our fourth meaning of carry out is to perform or conduct certain formal or professional activities. Our final meaning of carry out involves accomplishing a task or mission with significant effort. Fantastic job, everyone! You've explored all 5 meanings of carry out. Remember, This versatile phrasal verb can be applied in various situations, just like the ones we've discussed today. Carry out is a powerful phrase that signifies executing tasks, achieving goals, following orders, conducting activities, and accomplishing challenges. Keep using it wisely in your English journey. Keep learning and carrying out your goals, both big and small.